Don't y'all be scared to put that pineapple in that chili, because I'm telling you right now, it creates a wonderful sweet and savory dish. Good morning everybody, and welcome back to Louisiana Homestead. Today I'm making a chili because it's very cold outside, and this time I'm making a Hawaiian chili, so it's going to be a little bit different. I got a couple of pounds of ground deer meat here. You can use whatever kind of ground meat you like. And I've just got it browned up somewhat. I could use a little more browning. So I'm going to add a little more oil into it because deer meat doesn't have very much fat in it. So I'm going to be adding some oil in there. And I'm going to be adding some seasoning also. I'm going to add in some frozen peppers that I have from the garden from this year. It's just some sweet peppers that I'm putting in there. About a cup, I guess. And I'm also going to do a cup of, well, it's just an onion, a whole onion, but it amounts to about a cup of it. Stir that down and let that kind of wilt a little bit. And it looks like it could use a little moisture. So I'm going to go ahead and add my tomatoes in there, which this is some tomatoes that I canned back in 2022. It's some salsa, but I can use it for this. It's just onions and peppers and salt and tomatoes, of course. And I opened up 2 of those, so I'm going to go on ahead and put both of those down in there. Stir that up. Now that's a lot of meat, so it's going to take a good bit of seasoning. I'm going to go in with some garlic powder and some onion powder. I always use onion powder and garlic powder in just about everything that I cook. And I'm going to come over here and get some of this soy sauce and Worcestershire sauce. I use that in just about everything I cook also. So get some of that down in there. Good bit of soy sauce and Worcestershire sauce. I like to use these because they're salty and they add more than just salt. They also add flavor. Now, since we are making chili, I'm going to put some chili powder in there. That's probably about 2 tablespoons. And cumin is what makes chili taste like chili as far as I'm concerned. So I'm going to put probably about a teaspoon. It actually has a strong flavor, cumin. So that's about a teaspoon, I would guess. Now the next thing is pepper. I love to use this kind of pepper. It's the Zatarain's cayenne pepper. Put some of that in there. There's different kinds of red pepper out there, the brands of it. I like that one the best. To me, it's nice and hot. And I love black pepper. And I love this McCormick's. To me, that's the best tasting black pepper out there. So put a little bit of that in there too. Of course, you will use as much as you like. That's what I do. And what's going to make this Hawaiian chili is the fact that I'm putting pineapple chunks in it. So I'm going to go on ahead and put that down in there as well. Now my chili's going to have a lot of stuff in it. It's also going to have some pinto beans, which were canned, and I just rinsed them off. That was some store-bought pinto beans. That wasn't the ones that I canned. That was some store-bought ones that was given to me. And also these black beans, those were given to me as well, and I find they do really good in chili. It's the only thing I use them for, actually, is to put them in my chili, and they work good in it. Okay, so let's stir all this stuff together. I'm going to have a very, very full pot, as you can see. I'm telling you, you better brace yourself for this one because it is good. And the recipe calls for 2 of the 20-ounce cans of pineapple. So I'm going to be getting another can of that out and adding that into my pot here as well. I want to tell you about this chili, guys. Don't knock it till you tried it. It is delicious. I just wanted to put all of these into different videos because, excuse me, I know some people doesn't have time to watch all 3 meals, you know, the chili, the cornbread, and the sweet potato crunch. So what I did was split them into 3 videos, and that way if someone wants to watch just one of them, it'll make it a lot easier. And if somebody wants to watch all 3 of them, it's just on different videos. You can just go through and watch the different videos. And it takes me one night to upload each video. So they won't all be available on the first day of uploading. But they will be there in a few days. So keep checking for them, and I promise they'll be there. All of my recipes come either straight out of my kitchen, out of my own thoughts and my own mother-in-law's and mother's recipes, because in my opinion, they are the best cooks ever. In Louisiana, I've eaten a lot of good food, and in my opinion, my mother's and my mother-in-law's cooking is the best. So whenever I have a question, I ask them. Some of the recipes I cook do come out of cookbooks, but I use cookbooks that are Louisiana cooks that submitted these recipes into these cookbooks. So I just wanted to let y'all know that. All right, let's get a good look at this chili. It's about done, and we're going to serve us up a little bowl of it. So let's see how this looks in a bowl, guys. I'm just going to fix me a little bit of it so I can taste it. How's that? I'm going to get me some with a little piece of that pineapple on there because I think that's going to be really good. Okay, y'all, it's really hot. I'm going to try to taste it, though. Oh, yeah. I like it. It's very good. I'm going to get me a bowl of that, guys. I have to put some more in that bowl. Oh, yeah. That's going to go good with that broccoli cheese cornbread that I made. Can't wait. So I hope y'all watch the other videos. This turned out really good. And I'll see y'all on the next one. Bye now. Now look at this meal. What more could you want? You got you some good Hawaiian chili, some broccoli and cheese cornbread, and a sweet potato crunch. What more could you ask for? All done in 3 videos. So I hope you get to watch them all. Thanks for watching.